In this video, we're going to explore how to use the VIV slider. The VIV slider is the slideshow that appears at the top of the home page when the home page first appears. So in order to do that, we're going to go into the dashboard, and we will go to this link here that says VIV Home Slider, and that will open up the home slider itself. Here it comes. And so you'll see these are the slides that are available on the VIV Home Slider. So each one of those pertains to an event or some such thing as that. In order to create a new slide, you'll just do Add New. And then when you add new, you'll have an opportunity to complete information. So you'll say save the date, for example. And then down here, you'll provide some information for the slide. It's important to note that you should not provide a ton of information. It will not all appear on the slide if you do. So sort of keep it short and to the point. So you might say ERCC conference March 28th through 30th, 2019. You might want to put in here Providence, Rhode Island. And if you're looking, if you don't want it to look like this when it comes up, you want it like some of this to be a little closer together, all you have to do is go into the text version, and when you hit that text tab, it'll take you in and you can actually adjust what it will look like on the screen. Then you'll go to visual, and the next thing you want to do is, if that's all the information you have to put up there, then you're going to want to set a featured image for that. And so if you have a featured image, you can just put that up there. I'm going to just use any available image here just to set the featured image, just so we have something up there. Once that's done, you're going to want to, that will have a link, an automatic link that will go to, it'll say read more or something to that effect. You can actually change what it says on the button, but if you don't, it automatically defaults to read more. It says default as view more, but that's not correct. The other thing is, you want that, if you want that to, that needs to go somewhere. And so you're going to need to either send it to a page or give it a custom link or something to that effect. And so in this case, you'll see you have your choices there: page, posts. So if you pick page, all of the pages of the website will open up. If you pick posts, all of the posts will open up, and they'll be available to you right now. There's only one. And if you open up custom, that's a custom link. And that one, for this one, you might want to do. So for example, for this one, if I wanted to put the ERC conference, I would find that website, that does exist, just as you know, just as an FYI. And I would take that website as soon as I got it. I would copy it, and then it'll come up just so you see that's what it looks like. I'll copy and I'll paste the link here. And when I do that, then you're going to want to hit publish. And when we go back to the page, we'll take a look at where it is. Here's a little FYI. I'm going to take you back first to the VIV Home Slider main page that has all of the slides on it, because I want to point something out to you that's very important. These will appear in the order in which they were created. So this one, the CSD meeting, was created July 31st. So that will actually appear first on the VIV Home Slider, and the most recent will be the last slide, just as an FYI, so you know that. So now we can go back here to the VIV Home Slider page and refresh. And once we do that, we'll start with the CSD, and we can go through. And yes, you can go either way. There's an arrow. You can actually go backwards as well. And and here it is. Here's our save the date for the conference. And if we click on read more, you'll see that it will take us right to our homepage that we wanted to have it sent to. So that is everything you need to know about that VIV Home Slider. And you're ready to create one.